The Orbital Motherboard activation. Amazon Leo just activated its first commercial nodes across North America this month. This is not another satellite internet provider for rural homes. It is a massive expansion of the Amazon Web Services motherboard into the vacuum of space. While Starlink spent years capturing the consumer market, Amazon waited until 2026 to launch a hardware stack specifically designed to bypass the public internet entirely. Overlapping antenna architecture. The primary engineering differentiator in the Leo terminal is its single aperture phased array. Most competitors use separate transmit and receive arrays, which forces the hardware to be bulky and expensive. Amazon engineers solved this by layering tiny antenna elements directly over each other in the K-band. This allows the Leo Pro model to deliver 400 megabits per second from a device the size of a pizza box. By shrinking the physical footprint, Amazon has cleared the path for mass adoption in the enterprise sector, where space and power are premium commodities. They are trading surface area for complex signal processing, handled by their own custom silicon. The 100 Gigabit Mesh. Every satellite in the current 2026 constellation is equipped with 4 infrared laser links. These optical inter-satellite links maintain a constant 100 gigabit per second mesh network in orbit. This means your data can travel halfway around the planet through a vacuum, without ever touching a congested ground station or a copper cable. Prometheus and the AWS Advantage. The real power of Amazon Leo sits inside the Prometheus baseband chip. This custom silicon allows the satellite to act as a router that speaks the same language as an AWS data center. In 2026, we are seeing the emergence of private space clouds, where a corporation can route data from a remote oil rig directly to an Amazon S3 bucket without that data ever entering the public internet. This reduces the number of network hops, which is the true secret to Kuiper's lower latency claims. Starlink routes traffic. Amazon routes workloads. By integrating the Prometheus chip into every terminal and satellite, they have effectively removed the middleman of the traditional telecom carrier. It is a vertical integration of the global network stack that transforms the sky into a private local area network for the world's largest companies. The Real Implication. The activation of Amazon Leo in 2026 marks the end of the satellite internet era and the beginning of the orbital infrastructure era. The technical shift from Starlink's separate antennas to Amazon's single aperture architecture is more than a manufacturing win. It is a strategic move to own the physical interface of the global economy. By combining the Prometheus silicon with a 100 gigabit laser mesh, Amazon has built a network where the shortest path between 2 points is no longer a straight line on a map, but a hop through the thermosphere. For builders and strategists, this means latency is no longer a geographic limitation, but a subscription tier. The competition is no longer about who can provide the fastest download speeds to a farmhouse. It is about which provider controls the sovereign data paths of the next decade. Watch the upcoming July 2026 FCC deployment milestone to see if Amazon can scale this mesh before the orbital shells become too crowded to navigate. Subscribe for more.